Hi, welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I'm your host, Mohar, and I'm back today with another very inspirational video for all of you. The video I bought for you today is India's first woman truck driver. A story of grit, courage, resilience, determination against all odds. But before we go on to her story, let me share with you a brief about the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I started this channel in March 2020, keeping in mind the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Our vision was to inspire the coming and present generation to live by the eternal human principles. These human principles, which do not change over time and place and are etched in stone, are responsible for success in life. These principles are honesty, integrity, respect, diversity. Living life by these principles is the only way to permanent success. Yes, by ignoring these principles, you can achieve success much faster in life, possibly. But it is like a bubble of water, short lived. That's why you see so many suicides, even among people who we consider immensely successful, because they have ignored these human principles in their journey of success, and their success is like bound to be like a bubble of water, short-lived. Only when you live life by these human principles can you achieve permanent success in life. So I request all those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant, or have come on to the first time to the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant, kindly subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so you get an update on every new video which I release to inspire you. Friends, I also request you to kindly share these videos with your friends, family, near and dear ones, so that they too are inspired and they join our mission to make a difference. Coming back to our story, India's first truck driver, woman truck driver, a story of true grit, inspiration, courage, resilience, determination. Her name, Yogita Raghuvanshi. Yogita grew up in Nandaba with 4 siblings. She, along with her siblings, went on to complete their graduation in commerce, and she got married off. The man she was married to claimed to be a lawyer, but after she got married, she discovered that he was a truck driver, and a fairly unsuccessful one at that. And this led to an unhappy marriage. She had 2 children. Her husband, fortunately, encouraged her to study further, and she qualified as a lawyer. When her husband died in 2003, she had 2 options. One is to take up becoming a junior lawyer in somebody's chambers, and the second, continuing her husband's business of truck driving. Given the choice, Yogita says she had to make a decision. She had 2 young children to look after. She says, if I had opted to do be a junior lawyer in some lawyer's chamber and enter the legal profession, she would have earned a pittance for many years as a junior lawyer. She instantly learned truck driving, meant instant money and greater income. And she felt that in a country like ours, where the country is developing at a rapid pace, there will always be opportunities and growth for truck drivers. Her children, Yashika and Yashwin, were very young. To look after them, she took on a truck driver to drive her husband's trucks. But it was a loss-making proposition, and ultimately she had to learn truck driving. It changed the course of her life. It was a shortcut to prosperity and the realization that great things happen when you move. Her first trip was from Bhopal to Ahmedabad. She did not know even the ABCD of the roads. Which roads lead to the highway? Where is the highway? She had to frequently stop n number of times and ask people for directions. But she was courageous, determined, had a positive attitude, did not give up, and she delivered her consignment on time on her first trip from Bhopal to Ahmedabad. She knows 4 languages. She is fluent in Hindi, English, Marathi and Telugu. Her advice is to fellow truck drivers is avoid drunken driving and fuel tampering and respect yourselves first so that the others will respect you. On the challenge she faced as the India's first woman truck driver, she says people regarded her with disbelief, passed negative and snide comments, and she also faced eve teasing. As other men drivers thought she was another driver's woman. But this all changed when they saw her driving her truck. They started respecting her and taking advice from her. They started treating her as an equal when they saw her capability and ability. She says while there are not many drivers on the road, there is a change happening and many women are joining as taxi drivers. She is happy to see this change in attitudes and in the women in India today. She advises all women to have self-belief, self-confidence, and she believes that if you believe in yourself, the world will follow. In the upcoming future, she plans after retirement to teach young children and motivate girl children to make a difference. Recently, Mahindra company rewarded her with a truck for her courage and example. Another young lady making a difference today in South India is 30-year-old truck driver Jyotmani Gautaman. Friends, Yogita Raghuvanshi bringing about a sea change in the attitudes in our country. A capable truck driver who today is making a difference to society and to her family with her confidence and abilities. Friends, I always say that women like Yogita make a difference to society and influence lakhs and lakhs of people to take the next steps. While all of us cannot be in the same class as Yogita, I strongly believe in these difficult times of the COVID 19 pandemic that all of us need to stand up and make a difference. I'm a strong proponent of the concept of difference to one. It means scan your neighborhood, find out who needs your help, and help that one person who desperately is need of your assistance. Your random act of kindness will go a long way in mankind defeating this infamous COVID 19 pandemic. I once again repeat, stand up, make a difference. Friends, I'm sure all of you tremendously enjoy the inspirational stories which I bring out for you. I request you once again to share these videos with your friends and family and also encourage them to subscribe along with you so that you too become a part of a journey of making a difference and encouraging people to live by the eternal human principles. Till we meet again with another very inspirational story on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious and Gannon. Good luck, all the best, stay safe.